How to log in into my HR CVS employee account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into my HR CVS employee account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in my HR CVS employee login. After that, from your search results, head over to the first link. Then you land on their login page. Now to log in, first of all, you have to enter your user ID that is associated with your account. Under that, enter your correct password associated with your account. In case if you forgot your ID or password, there is a link right here. Click on it and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done entering your correct login credentials, simply click on login button. After that, you'll be logged into your my HR CVS employee account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.